It's still a very new manufacturing process, and therefore quite rightly the aerospace industry has very strong standards and processes to get things right and understand it. So one of the big challenges today is just proving that the materials produced in the process are good enough and that there's no defects or flaws that may cause problems in the life of the product. The other hurdle is purely production rate and cost. Additive has some advantages at the start of a process. People say it's fast. It is compared to in other processes in the initial design phase. But in serial production, the current processes tend to be quite slow and unproductive and have very high cost relative to traditional manufacturing. So that's the other one. It has to buy its way onto the product as much as it has to offer the value proposition.
For us as an organisation, it's that flexibility, that customisation, and the freedom of design and what's possible. We want to offer customers solutions and really, from a designer point of view, forget the norm. What do you want? What does the customer want? And really, as an engineer, you want the ultimate design with sort of no constraints to traditional methods. Additive manufacturing will give you that.
I think the smaller scale additive manufacturing has already started to overcome a lot of those challenges and is starting to see some really good examples of being embedded now. But for me, it's about being able to take what is predominantly a prototyping concept and move that into low volume manufacturing and beyond.
These sort of events are fantastic to bring people together, get a bit more of an overview, a bit more of a helicopter view of what people are doing within the UK, and making them connections really, because it's a very small industry, and I think collaborations will be the key to make it a success.
If you think the same, you'll never win at Additive. It's about thinking differently, and events like this help people display how they're thinking differently, and you always come up with new ideas out of the back of it.
Really inspiring. So much knowledge in this room, so much ability to transfer the knowledge. The fact that we're here today representing a social business shows that the Innovate UK and KTN are acknowledging that business plays that dual role in society. And I think the aerospace, the construction, all of these different aspects coming together today. Hopefully there should be some really dynamic conversations going on.